In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the alarm app. And here, if this is your first time, you should see allow clock to send you notifications. Just allow that if you want. And here you should see the options alarm, world clock, stopwatch, and timer. So tap on alarm. And as you can see, I already have an alarm set for 6 a.m. but it's been turned off. So I can tap on that to turn it on, and it will now be active on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So, or I can just leave it off. To add another alarm, you can just tap on the plus icon here, and then use this panel to set your alarm. So I want to set mine for 8:30. And then I want it to be on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. Then you can also name your alarm. So wake up call. And then you can also change the alarm sound. You can use a Bixby alarm or you can use a Spotify alarm. So let me choose a Spotify alarm, and then wait for it to load and use a Spotify song or DJ mix or whatever as your alarm. So let me search for a song. And then I will tap on it like that. And once I'm happy with that song, I'll go back. And then I can choose to have a vibration, so I can enable it or disable it. And then I can tap on that and choose how I want it to vibrate. So you can have it like that or like that. And if you're holding your tablet, you should be able to feel the vibration. So once you're happy, just to go back. And then you can have it snooze. So you can have it set to different intervals. And you can have it repeat 3 times, 5 times, or forever. So I want it to have a 5-minute interval, or I can customize the interval, meaning I can change it to a 2-minute interval. And then I can have it repeat 3 times, 5 times, or forever. So I want it to repeat 5 times. So after every 2 minutes, my snooze will repeat for 5 times. And you can just go back. And once you're happy with how your alarm is, simply tap on save. And as you can see, my alarm has been added to the alarm section. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.